Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, I got another strange one for you today. Yep, we're delving deeper into my Star Wars nerddom. Today we're going to take a look at something by Star Wars Legion, the Clone Captain Rex add-on pack. Now this is funny because this is the very first piece of Star Wars Legion I've ever bought. Looking, around online, and I'm like, Star Wars miniature game. Unpainted miniatures. I could get back into painting. Okay. I did Games Workshop stuff for like 20 freaking years, and like I've said before in other videos, I used to love sitting down and just putting paint to a miniature. Well, this is my unboxing and second impressions of this, because only me, there's a problem with this box. But still, there's a look on your outside, and the price on this as of May 17th, 2021 is $16.99, and it is Prime One Day eligible. I love the artwork on the box because they give you great references for Rex when you're going to go paint them. I got it in yesterday, and I'll be honest, I couldn't wait to get it open and take a look. But, yeah. So it seems like with everything else from, Mass Effect or Final Flight games, whatever you want to call it, bunch of tokens, bunch of cards. Okay, that's cool. I get the game's got to run on it. They give you a assembly guide, which I thought was really cool. You have an option between Phase 1 helmet, Phase 2, and a bald head. But here's where the funny happens. I wish I was making this up. I got 2 complete Rex kits, but no base to put them on. So I had to contact the company and go, hey, can we do something about that? And we'll see if they get back to me, but not really wanting to hang around because, yeah, I'd like to get painting this. I just ordered some bases online and went, okay, well, I bet Games Workshop size are about the same size as Star Wars Legion, so alright, there we go. But I like the detail work on the helmet. That's pretty freaking cool. Now these seem really easy as opposed to, like, I hate to say it, Games Workshop, where you've got to like trim and do everything under the sun. That is a great, incredible dry fit right off the base. So I think putting these things together is going to be fun and it's going to be interesting. I don't know, I'm excited to get back into it. Now I gotta figure out what paints I gotta get and all that other fun stuff, but I wanted to show you this real quick. Because I am a huge, I am a huge Rex fan. And it's going together no problem. I don't think it's gonna require a lot of super glue and a lot of activator and a lot of other stuff to get this thing going. That would be great, because I usually remember with Games Workshop miniatures, I was gluing my fingers to the plastic, and that's never good. But yeah, look at that. That's just... See, and I like the fact that I got 2, so I don't need to really worry about the helmets. So I can do one Phase 1 and another Phase 2, which I think is really cool. But basically, that's it. Dry fit. So I think that's cool. I instantly, when I saw that very first Clone Wars cartoon movie, I don't want to say I fell in love with Rex, but I was instantly drawn to him just because he was a clone captain with 2 pistols. And the fact that he was Anakin's commander, I thought that was really neat. In his interaction with Ahsoka Tano, I'm like, you're a clone. You're supposed to be, in one way, subservient to the Jedi, but here you are joking around and having fun, which I thought was cool, as opposed to, like, Cody, who was Obi-Wan's, clone commander, who seemed to be more strict, rigid, by the book. Which was also weird with the Clone Wars cartoon. I know I'm getting off on a tangent. How they were able to give all those clones basically separate identities. The ones you saw the most, I thought that was kind of cool. But still, this is my first Star Wars Legion miniature. There will be more. I don't think I'm going to bring painting guides to the channel because it's been forever, and I don't know. I may change my mind on that, but right now I don't know. But yeah, so I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger, all that fun stuff right down below. do you do Star Wars Legion? Have you had a case like that before where you bought a package and you didn't get bases or you didn't get parts? What was your success reaching out to like Mass Effect going, hey guys, I know I'm going to have to try to figure out some more cards, but I don't know, to me that's kind of like part of the coolest part of these things. Seriously. I mean, I know like Magic the Gathering people and other stuff, I know you guys have been used to stuff like this, but me, not really. And yeah, I understand that Games Workshop has changed radically because I just went looking on their website today and I'm like, wow. I'm sure these itty bitty little cards are like upgrades. So I'm going to have to look into it and see everything with this game just simply because I'm getting it to paint miniatures because I'm a Star Wars junkie. But still, like I said, leave me all that fun stuff down below. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, I can almost guarantee you I did all of that with most of you guys out there. Why don't you go ahead and hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help show love and support for the channel, and I am greatly, greatly appreciative of everybody who's been along for this weird ride for this amount of time. If you're brand new to the channel, hey, welcome. Seriously, welcome. We cover a lot of stuff here. You're going to find something for basically everybody on my channel because I like showcasing various things, but that's just me. But there we go, guys. I'm not going to do the usual little YouTube wrap up. You know where the videos are going to pop. You know where the big channel symbol for subscribe is going to go. Thanks so much for watching this one. My kind of unboxing and second impressions of Clone Commander Rex. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day. See you on our next video.